In this video, I will show you how to turn on read receipts on iPhone. This is a very fast and easy process to follow, but before we continue, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the settings on your iPhone. Once you're in your settings, what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. At the very bottom, you're going to see apps. What you want to do is press onto apps. Then what you want to do is find your messages app. So you can do this manually by scrolling through. It's in alphabetical order, so you just want to come down to M. You can see we've got messages here. Or alternatively, you can just use the search box at the top and type messages to locate your messages app. So press to go into your messages. And on this screen, what you want to do is scroll down. And just a bit down on the screen, you're going to see an option to send read receipts. Turn this on, all you need to do is simply toggle the switch on. As you can see, when this option is turned on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipts for all conversations. So now is how to turn on read receipts on iPhone. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.